Bill Miller founded our company, started out at University of Columbia as a chemist. He was going to go on to Harvard Medical School and decided he didn't want to become a doctor. So from there, being a chemist, he picked up this hobby of photography. He became really good at it. He has an uncle here in Pittsburg, Kansas, said, hey, Pittsburgh keeps growing, we need a town photographer. And so his first studio is 1939 over by the university. Downstairs, they did the camera sales, the back rooms, they had the studio, and then upstairs, they continued to do the processing. Basically, they maxed out their capacity. So our first building was 4,000 square feet. So now you can see we got a little bit bigger. So it's 180,000 square feet.
I'm the facility maintenance manager here at Miller's Professional Imaging. Facility manager is to look at cost, look at energy savings and what we can do to lower these costs, what's more efficient for the company. This program was a good fit for our facility as we're a 200,000 square foot building with a lot of machining equipment that uses a lot of electricity. When starting this project, we strategically looked into fixture to our replacement fixture to make sure we achieve our goal of savings. And after doing all this planning and researching on what our replacements would be, our in return goal would be saving around 1 million kilowatts a year. And we're already seeing these savings on a day-to-day basis. We installed over 1,000 LED light fixtures and replacement of fluorescent lights throughout the building, and then we also installed occupancy sensors. The lighting in this section of the building is on all night, and the occupancy sensors helped with turning the lights off and saving the energy and helping the long-term span of these light fixtures. Overall, the projects went really smooth. Evergy was great to work with, helping step by step. We had a great electrical team that helped install these fixtures, electricians on site going through all the different kinds of lights, what we currently have, the replacements of these lights. Overall, the project went really smooth.
My role at Miller's is electrical, and I help assist to make the company more efficient. I worked with Evergy during the process, and it was a great experience. They were very helpful. The employees have noticed that the lab in general has better quality lighting, and it's easier for them to do the work that they need to do. I think it's pretty important, especially for the community, that we try not to consume too much energy.
Yeah, the employees here have definitely enjoyed the new lighting upgrades that we made, as it's consistent throughout the building. We're not having to overlook prints because it's different lighting, seeing different flaws. Made it more comfortable for employees of having much more of a natural light as they're working throughout the day, and it's not as dim and yellow, it's more bright. Has definitely changed the atmosphere for the employees here. We're now looking into upgrading our HVAC equipment to be more efficient. We have a lot of outdated equipment on the roof. I would recommend this program to all other businesses. It's good to be sustainable and saving energy and day-to-day costs. Contact your representative, have them come to your facility, see where you can save load, because saving energy does help overall. Everyone needs to be involved and help with these energy costs.